Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to work on Lesson 9, Module 2 in Math. Let's look at our objective. Compare efficiency of counting on and making 10 when one addend is 8. So we're going to look at those two strategies and see which one kind of makes more sense and is quicker. So let's see. So looking at these two number bonds, which one is easier to solve? If you look 8 and 6, and what's the whole? Or 10 plus 4, what's the whole? Which one's quicker to solve? Ten plus 4 is quicker to solve because we know our 10 plus facts, right? So that makes it a lot quicker for us to solve it. 8 plus 6, we can go ahead and count on. So we say 8 in our head, 8, and then start counting up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We still get the same answer, but counting on takes a little bit longer. We still get our same answer of 14. What expression is equal to 8 plus 6? So what expression has the same answer as 8 plus 6? That's right, 10 plus 4. Let's use our whiteboards to show how we can solve this by making a 10. So on your paper, I want you to show, we've been working on this now for several lessons. How can we make a 10 with 8 plus 6? I'm going to get my whiteboard ready too. So go ahead, and if you have your whiteboard or piece of paper in front of you, how can you make a 10 with 8 plus 6? Are you working on it? So the first thing is you're going to start with your 8, and you want to think about how many more do I need to get to 10? Because we want to make it an easy 10. So I think about 8, 9, 10, 2 more. If you know 8 plus 2 equals 10, then you're on the right track. If you don't, then you can say 8, and you can count up from 8 to see how many more you need to get to 10. So we need 2 more, which means that we're going to do a 2 here. And then 2 plus what equals 6? 2 plus 4 equals 6. So that's where these two numbers come from. Sorry, the glare is kind of weird. So now 8 plus 2, this equals 10. So now we can have 10 plus 4. And that makes it a lot easier to solve because we know our 10 plus facts. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Nice job. Did you guys have the same answer? Were you able to break it up like this? If not, that's okay. We're going to do more today, okay? And if you did, nice job. High five. Okay. So see, we have it broken up here. 2 and 4, just like I showed you. And that gives us 14. Our friends Sergio and Lila are back again. They're getting ready to go to PE. They both had to solve 8 plus 7. The first one to solve it got to go to PE first. Sergio decided he was going to count on to solve it again. Remember last time he counted on. Is there another way to solve 8 plus 7 that he could have used instead of counting on? Maybe making a 10. He could make 10. Take 2 from 7 and make 10 with the 8. we're going to make a number bond to show 8 plus 7. So go ahead on your paper and write 8 plus 7 on your paper or your board. And we're going to break it down just like we did. And we want to make a 10. So I've got 8 plus 7. Did you write this down? Write it down. Pause the video if you need more time, okay? Okay, 8 plus 7. So remember, we have to think about, how many more do we need to make the 8 a 10? How many more? 8 plus what equals 10? 8 plus 2 equals 10, right? So 8 plus 2, which means that when I break up my number, I'm going to do a 2, and then I think about, 2 plus what equals 7? 2 plus 5, very good. Okay, and then remember, 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then plus what? What number is going to go here? 10 plus 5. This is our number that's still left. So 5 equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15. Nice job. Let's do the counting up way and see. 8 plus 7. So we're going to say 8 in our head. Everybody do it with me. 8 and 7 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did we get the same answer? Yeah, we did. But writing it out is a little quicker, and you're going to get the correct answer every time when you write it out. And you make a 10. You have a better chance of getting the correct answer. Okay. So the whole was 15. Let's see if their number bond matches ours. 10 and 5. Yep, that's what we got. So who do you think got to go to PE first? Raise your hand if you say Sergio. No. Raise your hand if you say Lila. I agree. Lila probably went first because she did the make the 10 way. Yay! Okay, so now we're going to solve each problem showing how to solve using counting on and making 10. So first we're going to make a 10. So again, we have to think about 8 plus, what equals 10? 8, 9, 10? 2, right? So 8 plus 2. So we need this number down here. We need to break it down into a 2. And then we have to think about 2 plus what equals 5? 2 plus 3, right? So now that we have this 8 plus 2, that gives us 10. Then 10 plus 3 more equals 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So these two equations equal the same. They both equal 13. Let's count up using the count up strategy or count on 8 plus 5. Say 8 in your head. Do it with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got the same answer. Okay, here's another problem. First, let's do our count up or count on. 8 and 4 more. Say 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now, we're going to do our number bond. I'm going to do it on my 8 plus 4. I'm going to do it on my board, and I'd like you to do it on your piece of paper or your board, whatever you have. 8 plus 4. Go ahead and write that down. 8 plus 4. Did you write it down? Okay, you guys gotta do it with me, okay? Okay, so 8 plus 4. First thing we gotta think about, how are we gonna make that 8 a 10? Who remembers? 8 plus what equals 10? How many? 8 plus 2 gives us 10. And then 2 plus what equals 4? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we made our 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Plus our number that we still have left over. 2 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. Nice job. Okay, 12. So we got the same answer with the count on strategy and with our number bond making a 10. Let's see if they have the same answer we did. 2 and 2 more equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Very nice. Let's look at this one. 8 plus 3. Write it on your paper again. 8 plus 3 this time. I'm going to do mine. If you have to pause this video so you have time to write 8 plus 3, go ahead. 8 plus 3. You should have this on your paper or on your whiteboard. Okay, 8 plus 3. How many more do we need to get to a 10? 2. So we're going to do a 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Plus 1 more. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Nice job. 11. And we could count up. Say 8 in your head and count 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. Nice job. Making a 10 is a better strategy. And they did the same as we did. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. These two equations are the same. Okay. That is all for today, friends. Thank you so much for working so hard, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.